Hey New York, did you know that the average motorcycle collision takes place at only 21 miles an hour? People often have a misconception it's caused by speeding motorcyclists weaving in and out of traffic or in between lanes of travel. It's simply not true. They often occur at a much lower speed, and they typically are not the fault of the rider. If this happens to you, please give us a call right away. We will jump in, investigate the accident, the circumstances, talk to witnesses, file all the claim forms for you, and be there throughout all of your treatment and recovery to get the best result for you.